G'day, here's 3 pieces of seam opal. It's crystal, this material, from Lightning Ridge in the OpalShop. The rule's in millimetres and I've given it a bit of a squirt with water to make it wet. Not very thick unfortunately, but quite nice crystal material. Bit of potch on the end here. Second piece. Nice bright electric blues. It's almost liquid. Again, not very thick unfortunately. Third piece. Right hand side. It's potch. So like that. Estimated sort of stone. It's got some bit of potch on the back here, but anyway, it's not that expensive for what it is. Hope you enjoyed.